Greetings from the Fineness Institute of Clinical Research. Today we'll be discussing a very important and a sensitive topic. We all apply to jobs, and sometimes our CVs don't get accepted. There are many reasons for your CV to not get accepted, and today we'll be talking about that. So, the number one reason why your CV hasn't been accepted is maybe because of you don't have the relevant experience. So, if you are a fresher and the job is specifically asking for a certain number of years experience which you don't have, there is no point applying for. And even the post that you're applying for, you need to know if it is it for the fresher level, or this job position require a certain amount of experience. uh, the second most common reason will be generic CV. You are not customizing your CV according to the job you're applying for. Then you are not adding relevant certificates, like in clinical research in general. If I talk about GCP, you can get GCP certifications online. Any webinar or seminar related to the field that you're applying for, you haven't shared that. So that is also a reason why your CV isn't being accepted. And the next reason can be your gap in employment. So, gap in employment, you have to have a valid reason and justify why you have a certain gap in your resume. And then other reasons can be you haven't emphasized on your achievement, past achievement. So, whatever achievement in your job or in your college days you have done, you have to add that into your resume. For more informative videos on how to prepare for an interview, how to apply for a job application, we